We have around 70,000 new cases opened up each year in Pinellas County on our court side and our civil and criminal division. And so to serve our citizens in the best manner, we knew we had to make this type of change of going with electronic records, being able to accept e-filing and being set up for there, and also securing the records in the best possible way.
As custodian of the record, a big responsibility we have is to ensure the integrity of all of our court files and all of the documents that we maintain under the clerk.
But we never had a way of sending the information to the court for review.
Doing any project like this in the court system is very complex because there's more than just one person involved or one organization involved. You have the sheriff, you have the state attorney, you have the public defender, you have the judiciary, you have the Department of Corrections, you have Salvation Army. Lots of organizations are involved in the justice system.
The staff had grown as a result of the dual system, I would say by 25 to 30%. And it was becoming harder and harder to maintain a dual system. We were looking for a way to create the bridge that was going to allow us to send this information to the court for the review and their interaction with the pleading, and then return it to us. That would save us a lot of time and effort.
Going paperless was a vision that really went hand in hand with looking at our future as one where we would gain total efficiencies by taking all of that paper that we handle and automating those processes to allow us to get to a paperless environment.
We did our research and we looked in the field of business process management solutions in that software and used a research company, the Gardner Group, and decided to go with global because of being a leader in the field. And it's proved that we made a very good selection.
We really have moved from almost an ancient way of handling paper and all of the complexities and additional processes that come with handling that to really a future where there is complete automation in our office.
Global 360 facilitates the movement of these documents through the system, through a queue-based system. And at any time we know the status of our work now, where before it took time to actually check at the different places of where our work was and what were the priorities. Now we can check at it basically at a moment's notice of just looking in the system.
It's not just automation, it's improvement to the workflow and the processing.
I think the biggest benefit is that multiple people can be working on the files at the same time because we need that in the system.
You measure the success of the project in different ways. First of all, are folks using the system? And they are. Are we getting good feedback from the legal community which says, gosh, this is good to have access to my file 24 hours a day, and we've gotten that positive response. Is it saving us resources as far as supplies and office expense and storage? And that answer is yes. Are we saving on time and staffing? And the answer there is yes.
We have increased the service level to our attorneys, to the public, and to the court by being able to provide everything that they need, literally instantaneously. It also allows them the flexibility to work at home or other locations. And there is a lot of pride among the employees to get the work done and do it in a high-quality fashion.
Basically, what Global 360 is doing is changing the way work is being done here at the Pinellas County Clerk's office by making us more efficient and more effective.